Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn 10 lines speech on my aim in life to become a doctor. Line number 1. Good morning respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Line number 2. My name is Neha Sharma. Line number 3. Today I am going to speak on my aim in life to become a doctor. Line number 4. Every person has an aim in life and my aim is to become a doctor. Line number 5. Doctors treat sick people and save many lives. Line number 6. I want to become an honest, kind and responsible doctor. Line number 7. I want to become an honest, kind and responsible doctor. Line number 8. I study hard every day and work sincerely to achieve my dream. Line number 9. I believe that one day I will become a successful doctor and make my parents proud. Line number 10. Thank you.